Hi students, I will explain another problem on general method. The problem is solve d square plus 2d d dash minus 8 d1 square of z equal to square root of 2x plus 3y. Solution. Given equation is, first write the given equation is d square plus 2d d dash minus 8d dash square of z equal to square root of 2x plus 3y. Save 1. This is of the form f of d comma d dash of z equal to capital F of x comma y, where f of d comma d dash equal to d square plus 2d d dash minus 8 d1 square d dash square, and capital F of x comma y is square root of 2x plus 3y. The equation 1 has two solutions. One is complementary function, another one is particular integral. First we have to find out complementary function. Therefore the auxiliary equation is f of m comma 1 equal to 0. Here replacing d by m and d dash by 1, we get m square plus 2m of 1 minus 8 1 square equal to 0, that is m square plus 2m minus m equal to 0. Here we do factorization. This can be written as m plus 4 of m minus 2 equal to 0. M equal to minus 4 2. Here observe the roots are real and unequal. Therefore the complementary function equal to pi 1 of y minus 4x plus pi 2 of y plus 2x. Next we have to find out particular integral. Therefore particular integral equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash of capital F of x comma y, that equal to 1 by f of d comma d dash means d square plus 2d d dash minus 8 d dash square of capital F of x comma y means square root of 2x plus 3y. Here observe the function, it is a different form, that's why here using general method. In general method, first f of d comma d dash into linear factors and resolve f of d comma d dash into linear factors. Here we do the factorization, that is 1 by d plus 4 d dash of d minus 2 d dash of square root of 2x plus 3y, that equal to 1 by d plus 4 d dash of 1 by d minus 2 dash of 2x plus 3y whole power 1 by 2, that equal to 1 by d plus 4 d dash of, here observe the formula, it's in the form of 1 by d minus m d dash of capital F of x comma y can be written as integral of f of x comma y means c minus mx of dx. Same you have to apply this formula here, that equal to 1 by d plus 4 d dash of this. Here we apply the formula integral of 2x plus 3 y means c minus 2x whole power 1 by 2 of dx. Here y equal to c minus 2x, that equal to 1 by d plus 4 d dash of, simplify this one, integral of 3c minus 6x plus 2x means 3c minus 4x whole power 1 by 2 of dx, that equal to 1 by d plus 4 d dash of, now integration this one, integral a power of means a power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, That means 3c minus 4x whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Derivative of inner function, that is derivative of inner function is, this is 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. That equal to 1 by d plus 4 d dash of, here simplify this one, minus 1 by 6 of 3c minus 4x whole power 3 by 2. After integration, replace c by y plus 2x, y plus 2x. That equal to 1 by d plus 4 d dash of minus 1 by 6 3 of, you have multiply 3c means 3y plus 6x, 3y plus 6x minus 4x whole power 3 by 2. Simplify this one, we get that equal to 1 by d plus 4 d dash of minus 1 by 6 of 3y plus 2x whole power 3 by 2. Here minus 1 by 6 is constant, taking the outside of the operator, that is here we apply the rule integral 3 y means, here y means c plus 4x plus 2x whole power 3 by 2 of dx, where here y is c plus 4x, right? That equal to minus 1 by 6 integral of, simplify this one, 3c plus 12x plus 2x, that means 3c plus 14x whole power 3 by 2 of dx. That equal to minus 1 by 6 integral this one, 3c plus 14x whole power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. Derivative of inner function, that is 0 plus 14. That equal to, simplify this one, we get minus 1 by 210 of 3c plus 14x whole power 5 by 2. After integration, replace c by y minus 4x, that equal to minus 1 by 210. 3c means 3y minus 12x plus 14x whole power 5 by 2. That equal to minus 1 by 210 of, simplify this one, 2x plus 3y whole power 5 by 2. This is the particular integral. Therefore, the complete solution of one is z equal to complementary function plus particular integral, that is z equal to pi 1 of y minus 4x plus pi 2 of y plus 2x minus particular integral 1 by 210 of 2x plus 3y whole power 5 by 2. Thank you.